Why are we still scrubbing like our life depends on it and killing our backs at the same time? Got this spin has changed the way I clean my house. I'm telling you, I use it everywhere. Shower, the kitchen, and even my car. It's totally waterproof, so you don't have to worry about it. And the best part, no bending over or trying to stand on a wobbly stool. You can reach the highest of highs and the lowest of lows. Cleaning my baseboards is actually now fun. It has so many different attachments, you can clean anything in your home. The pointy one is my favorite one because it gets every little grout and nook and cranny. This is the best gift to get yourself. I've linked it below for you.